What is 5 minus 1? We start with 5 and take 1 away. That leaves us with 4. What is 6 minus 4? Two. Start with 6 and take away 4, and we're left with 2. What is 7 minus 2? Five. Start with 7, take away 2, and we're left with 5. What is 9 minus 5? Four. Start with 9 and take away 5, and we're left with 4. What is 4 minus 2? Two. Start with 4 and take 2 away. That leaves us 2. What is 7 minus 3? Four. Start with 7 and take 3 away, and we're left with 4. What is 5 minus 3? We had 5, took away 3, and now we have 2. What is 7 minus 5? Two. Take away 5 from 7 and we get 2. What is 6 minus 2? Four. 6 minus 2 equals 4. What is 9 minus 7? Two. Start with 9 and take away 7. We're left with 2. What is 8 minus 4? Four. Start with 8 and take away 4. And we're left with 4. What is 5 minus 4? Fun. Start with 5 and take away 4. And we're left with 1. What is 8 minus 5? 3. Start with 8 and take away 5. And we're left with 3. What is 4 minus 3? One. Start with 4 and take away 3. And we're left with 1. What is 7 minus 4? Three. Start with 7 and take away 4. And we're left with 3. What is 6 minus 5? One. Start with 6 and take away 5. And we're left with 1. What is 5 minus 5? Zero. Anything minus itself is 0. What is 8 minus 7? One. Start with 8 and take away 7. And we're left with 1. What is 9 minus 6? Three. Start with 9 and take away 6. And we're left with 3. What is 6 minus 5? One. Start with 6 and take away 5. And we're left with 1. Wow, you did amazing! Don't forget to grab your free practice quiz in the link below so you can keep practicing and get even better. And if you had fun, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a fun new quiz. See you in the next video.